Hello everyone and welcome once again to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to share your screen when you are actually on Google Meets, right? Okay, so I've gotten some calls from some persons asking me how they can actually share their screen when they are on Google Meets and they are actually finding it difficult. Okay, so now I'm going to make a video actually to show you how to share your screen. So once you have logged in on Google Meet, so this is you, this is me, and this is another person with me, Blessing. Okay, so I'm going to show her and how to actually share the screen. So how do you do that? Now look at these icons here. This one, this is it, present now. Okay, just click on this present now icon. So you have this Chrome tab, window, and entire screen. Now for the Chrome tab, this Chrome tab is actually for like this Chrome app. So I'm working on this window now. This is Chrome window. This is Chrome window. So I have all these things open on this Chrome window. So this is a Chrome tab. So I can choose a tab from this Chrome window that I want to present. All right, I can choose any of the tabs to present, right? So for example, let's say I choose this. Now let's click on this. I choose this now to present. I click on share. Right. So now I will be presenting only this. This one only is what I'll be presenting. Just this one. Okay. So if I go to the core now, you will see that I am presenting just one thing, and that is where I'll be presenting continuously. Now to load. So this is me presenting. So now I'm presenting only on this tab, slideshow tab. Can you see? Slideshow. All right. So now at the same time, I can also stop the presenting by clicking on this same presenting. I just click on it and I click on stop presenting, or I can decide to present something else. If I click on present something else, I can choose another thing to present on this Chrome tab again. I can just choose, okay, let's say this, let's probably take this one. I want to present this one, and I click on share again. So you'd see now. Let's go and check what is happening there. Let's check now. Now you see this what we are sharing, right? You can see we are sharing this now. So we have changed what we are sharing now to something else. You can see what we are presenting to something else. Now I can also stop presenting. I can stop, just click on stop presenting. I stop presenting now. So now you can see I am back to normal again. Now let's say I want to present let's say I want to present something else, like I want to present on the Chrome tab. Now let us see, present now, then this is Chrome tab, then this is window. Now this, if I'm presenting this now, this is the entire window, the entire Chrome window. I will click on it and then I will say share. Okay, so now I'll be presenting the entire Chrome window. Then I click on the hide. I click on this hide. Then I'll be presenting the entire Chrome window. All right, so the entire Chrome window. That window, let's say we have here. Now the person will be seeing all these. Blessing, can you see these things? Blessing, can you see this?
Yes.
You can see what can you see here?
All consuming fire.
Very good. So now, okay, let me go to another place now. So anything I'm doing should be seeing it. What can you see here?
Emeka Collins.
Very good. So now because I'm presenting the entire window. So wherever I go to, you'll be seeing everything happening there. So anywhere I go to, you will see everything happening there, right? So this is for the entire window. What can you see here?
Welcome.
Very good, very good. So now let me stop presenting now. Now let me now show you something now. Now if I leave this window now tell me, can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see anything? Can you see this zoom?
Zoom.
Yeah, you cannot see it because I've left the window. All right. Now I'm going to present now entire screen. Now I'm going to present the entire screen now. Then you will see everything. Anywhere I go to, you will see what I'm doing. Anywhere I go to, you will see. Now let's do that. Now stop presenting or present something else from here. Present something else. And I'm going to present the entire screen. I click on it, then I click on share. So I will have to hide this. All right. So now I am presenting on the entire screen. Now watch out now. Can you see this?
Zoom.
Very good, very good. So you can see. So anything I do on my laptop now, you will see. Anywhere I go to, you will see. Can you see? Can you see this?
Yes.
Very good. Now let's go again. So let's go somewhere else. Can you see this? Can you see this?
The generation master
Very
class.
good, very good, very good. So you can see everything. So that is for the share entire screen. Okay, so this is basically how to go about sharing your screen. And when you are done sharing, then you can go ahead and stop presenting. You stop presenting. Okay, and now you are back. So you are done presenting. Now you are back. All right. So
Yeah.
this is how to actually go about presenting. Okay, and I would have loved to show you as well. Peradventure, you want to present, you want to make a presentation, and you also want to be seeing those that you are presenting to. Like for example, now this is actually Google Slides, right? Now I want to present this. Now I click on present. Now I want to present this Google slide, right? So I'm going to click on it. Then I click on share, right? I click on share. Now on this share now I cannot, once I go to where you are now, once I come here now, I cannot have the control of this unless I go back to the slides. But I want to be here and also be able to have control over the slides. How can I do that? Now from the slides here, I click on this arrow, this slideshow arrow. Click on this arrow and click on presenter view. Click on it, presenter view. So now I'll have this. This will give me sticker notes on the slides. Now watch out. I'm going to return back to the meeting where we are now, and I'm going to have control over the slides, even from the meeting where we are together. Now I'm going to go to the meeting now. So this is a meeting. Okay, so now I want to have control now over what we are doing. Okay, I have control over what we are doing now. Now look at it. I want to have this. Okay, so now we are here together and I have control over this. Now look at it. I change. Now you can see I can change this. I can change this. I can change it, and I have the sticker notes. Now I can read the sticker notes, right? You can see I can change it, and I'm still here with you, and I can still have control over my slide. This is you, and I'm here with you, and I can still have control over my slides, right? So this is another way of actually presenting. All right. So okay, I think this is basically all about presentation. Then when you're done, as usual, stop presenting and you are back. So I hope you understand the process.
Yes, I understand now.
All right, any
Thank
question?
No question.
No question. All right, very good. So I think we're going to now end this now. So thank you so much for joining in, and I'll see you later. Okay.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.